Hey, good morning. We're here today with Dr. Hansen. We've introduced him a couple months ago when he first came on board, but we're going to do a little Q&A, a little refresher. So Dr. Hansen came to us from a facility in the States, so he's a Wyomingite. He's an OBGYN by training, which is fantastic for our community because we have an OBGYN that is practicing in town. He's seeing clinic in both Riverton and in Lander. And most importantly, delivering babies. We always hear that we need help here, and we have help. He also has a partner, Dr. Allie Weiss, who we'll be introducing. She just started here in October. So we have two providers that are in the community, seeing patients and doing a lot of great work. So Dr. Hansen, where'd you come from?
So yeah, thanks, John. I'm glad to be here. I grew up in Newcastle, Wyoming. Pretty much lived in Wyoming my whole life. Did my undergrad work at the University of Wyoming at Laramie. Went to medical school at Creighton University, did my OBGYN training at Michigan State in Saginaw, Michigan, and then came back and set up private practice in Evanston, Wyoming in 2000, and have been in Wyoming ever since. So did private practice for 17 years, did some hospital work for another 5, and then decided to try something new. And just letting you know, we're here in Lander seeing women of all ages, for sure doing deliveries and taking care of those moms, but dealing with menopausal issues, if you have bleeding issues, problems with your bladder, hot flashes, anything like that, we're happy to see you and help you with those things also. So.
He's seeing patients both in the Wind River Clinic in Riverton, as we just said, and in Lander. Having somebody that knows the community, knows the trials and tribulations and the challenges of providing healthcare in the state is something that's great. Sometimes we hear some pushback when we have doctors that aren't from this area, because there is a lot of uniqueness and a lot of camaraderie that is part of being a Wyomingite. So we're super excited to have you. Anything that you want to tell about yourself? I mean, you're an avid runner.
Yeah, anything outdoors. I love to run, ski, mountain bike, camping, hiking. I'm all about that. So yeah, rural medicine can be challenging sometimes, but I've done that for, like I said, over 20 years. And I'm just happy to have the opportunity to be in a new place. So,
great guy, calming personality, is well seasoned in this, so you have a great provider.